Hello, how to solve for a in this equation? A squared minus a to the power of 3 is equal to 1100. Solution. We have a squared minus a to the power of 3 is equal to 1100. Then we have a squared minus a to the power of 3. This 1100 is equal to 1000 plus 100. So this is equal to 1000 plus 100. We have a squared minus a to the power of 3 minus 1000 minus 100 is equal to 0. Here is a squared minus a to the power of 3 minus 1000 can be written as 10 to the power of 3 minus 100 can be written as 10 squared is equal to 0. Now let's pair this with this and this with this. We have a squared minus 10 squared, then minus here is a to the power of 3, then plus 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. From here, if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Also from here, if you have a to the power of 3 minus plus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a plus b bracket a squared minus ab plus b squared. Let's start from here. We have a plus 10 bracket a minus 10, then this minus bracket here is a plus 10 bracket a squared minus 10 multiplied by a plus 10 squared is equal to 0. Then here a plus 10 is common and a plus 10 is common. Let's bring it out. We have a plus 10 bracket. If you divide this by this, we have a minus 10, then minus, if you divide this by this, we have a squared minus 10a plus 10 squared is equal to 0. Then here we have a plus 10 bracket. Here is a minus 10 minus a squared, minus times minus, this is plus 10a, minus times plus, this is minus 10 squared, that is 100, is equal to 0. Here we have a plus 10 bracket, here is minus a squared, then a plus 10a, this is plus 11a, minus 10 minus 100. This is minus 110 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is a plus 10 is equal to 0. And the second case is minus a square plus 11a minus 110 is equal to 0. Then from this, a is equal to minus 10. This is the first value of a. Then from here, we can divide all through by minus 1. Then minus a square divided by minus 1. This will give you a square plus 11a divided by minus 1. This is minus 11a. Then minus 110 divided by minus 1. This is plus 110 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. From the formula, a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 11, c is equal to 110. Then a is equal to minus bracket minus 11 plus or minus square root of minus 11 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 110. Then everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 11. This is 11 plus or minus square root of minus 11 squared. This is 121 minus 4 times 1 times 110. That is 440 divided by 2 times 1. That is 2. A is equal to 11 plus or minus square root of 121 minus 440. This is minus 319 divided by 2. A is equal to 11 plus or minus square root of, this can be written as 319 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. Then this is 11 plus or minus square root of 319 multiplied by square root of minus 1 over 2. But square root of minus 1 is equal to I. A is equal to 11 plus or minus I square root of 319 over 2. Therefore, our final answer are A1 is equal to minus 10, A2 is equal to 11 plus I square root of 319 over 2. Then A3 is equal to 11 minus I square root of 319 over 2. Here we have one real solution. Then this is complex root. This is another complex root. Then here we have the real root. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. But in order to check, let's confirm our answer with the real root here. Then that is this one. To check, we have the given equation a squared minus a to the power of 3 is equal to 1,100. Then when a is minus 10, so we have minus 10 square minus bracket minus 10 to the power of 3 must be equal to 1100. Then minus 10 squared, this is 100, minus bracket minus 10 to the power of 3, this is minus 1000, must be equal to 1100. Here we have 100 minus times minus, this is plus 1000, must be equal to 1100. Then 100 plus 1000, this is 1100, is equal to 1100, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.